What's up, everybody? Oh God, it's getting everywhere on my phone. Alright, better make this quick. Let's go. Don't get it on my phone. Don't get it on my phone. So yeah, this is my 2 subscriber special. Yeah, I don't know who subscribed to me, but thank you. Haley, if you're watching this, Haley is my sister. Thank you very much. But that'd just be kind of weird that you subscribe to your brother's channel. But yeah. So as we speak, I'm going to jump over that log. If you don't believe me, here we go. Yep, so you jumped over it. Actually, I stepped over it. Yeah, I cheat. Yeah, I'm running. So, yeah. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining. It's very, very wet. But, really wondering how to make a live stream. How to do that. Oh, God. Yeah, how do you even do that? Because I've been wondering how to do that. Hold on one sec. Oh my God, but I just got everywhere on my pants. Wait, blue jeans. And my souped out jacket, you see? Yep, there's our highway. We live literally next to the highway. Is our crappy house. Next door, our neighbors. With their house. Okay, now if you're wondering how hard it's raining, it just started thundering. And I went outside. I don't know why. Just because I wanted to. Because if I get shocked by lightning, I may be killed. But I don't want to be killed. But if I get to cold, I get to skip school. Hate school. Sucks. So, look at this nice, beautiful little puddle of water. Yep, that's the puddle of water. So, if you couldn't see it, this was our backyard. Yeah, that tree fell. It fell. Big time. If you're asking why there's a mattress out here, it got torn up. I would flip it, but then I'd have to flip it back over. Like the dog literally put his claws into it and ripped it to shreds. He pulled out a spring too. That was cool. I like it. Here's our old tree with some markings in it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a few markings in it. That tree looks like there could be something in there. I'm not going any closer though. Well, it's starting to get a little harder, raining. I'm going to see how long I can stay out here. It's been 4 minutes of raining situations. If I name this episode that, I'm going to freak out. But I'm not. I'm glad. It's going to be our rain survival part 1. How did this just fill up? I swore to you, I walk like back and forth all the time, and I never saw this here. Yeah, it's a pot of water that you can swim in. Yeah, something really good to do out here, but leave your sections in the comment section below of what I should do for like my next video. I'm gonna keep filming the Rain Survival Part 1. Hold on, let me wipe off my phone. Oh, that just made it worse on my pants. Alright, that's better. Say hello to the legendary stick. This is a good self-defense stick. You see? This tree is no more. Ah, this is hard. I just hope this doesn't mess up my phone, because this isn't a waterproof phone. Just saying. Should I, like, put my phone right here? Because I can zip my mask up like this. So. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Oh, because that hurts my eyes. And that's not even going to work. So, no. I'm sorry. That'd be awesome if I can do, like, some first-person free running. Free running! It's hard when it's raining! I should name that episode this. Free running in the rain. But that'd just be horrible. Because I'm not actually free running. Come on, rain harder! Where's Rainbowdash when you need it? Yeah, I said it! I said it! All you bronies out there, you better comment on that. If you don't, I will stop making videos. I don't know why I'm banging a stick on the chair. It just entertains me when I break things. This has been part 1 of a 7-minute episode. I bid you all a farewell. Well, this is the end of part 1. Should I just end it here? Like, yeah. End it here on this dramatic scene, looking at a door. Bye. Come on, press the button. It won't press the freaking button. All right.